Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to see your Google and Gmail account password. Okay, let's start. Go to your Gmail account. Click manage your Google account. Click password manager. Now see your all saved password. Finally successfully see your Google and Gmail account password. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.